Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Hot Wheels sets is probably one of the most sought-after toys for kids and collectors, offering an exciting world of high-speed races, creative storytelling, and a vast collection of iconic cars. This video will dive into the top Hot Wheels sets available, exploring their features, playability, and overall value, helping you choose the perfect set for your needs, whether you're a seasoned collector or a parent looking for a fun and engaging gift. Number 5. Hot Wheels 10 Car Pack. Get ready for high-octane adventures with this awesome 10-pack of Hot Wheels cars. Each one is meticulously crafted and ready to hit the road or your display case. It's a dream collection in one box. This set includes a variety of vehicles, from race cars to trucks, so you'll have plenty of options for exciting play. Every car is designed with incredible detail and authentic styling. You'll love the eye-catching designs and realistic features. These aren't just toys, they're miniature works of art. The 1 hour 64-minute scale ensures that each vehicle is perfectly sized for play and display. With such a cool variety of cars, you'll want to collect them all. Start your epic Hot Wheels collection today. Each car is unique and ready for adventure. These cars are perfect for hours of imaginative play, whether you're creating epic races or building impressive displays. The possibilities are endless. What we like. It's a great way to start a collection with a variety of vehicles. If you are looking for an affordable way to get a lot of Hot Wheels cars, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids and collectors who want a diverse range of cars to play with or display. What people say. They are varied and sturdy and promoted hours and hours of fun. The quality is fantastic. Great array of vehicle types with well-balanced suspensions and low-friction rolling ability. Perfect gift. Number 4. Hot Wheels 50-pack toy cars. Get ready for excitement with this massive collection of 50 Hot Wheels vehicles. It's the ultimate gift for kids and collectors alike. Each pack is a mystery. You'll discover a variety of cars, trucks, and even rescue vehicles. Every one is a 1 hour 64 minutes scale model. These aren't just toys, they're collectible works of art. Admire the incredible designs and attention to detail on each vehicle. They're individually packaged, perfect for collecting and trading. But they're also ready for hours of imaginative play. This 50-pack is a gift that keeps on giving. It's a great present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. These Hot Wheels are made with quality and care right here in the USA. Enjoy the superior craftsmanship. What we like. This set offers incredible value with a huge number of cars. If you are a serious collector and want a large variety of cars, this is the set for you. The individual packaging makes it easy to store and trade your cars. What people say. They are varied and sturdy and promoted hours and hours of fun. The quality is fantastic. Great array of vehicle types with well-balanced suspensions and low-friction rolling ability. Perfect gift. Number 3. Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage. It's more than just a toy, it's a world of adventure. This massive garage is packed with exciting features to spark endless imaginative play. With space for over 100 cars, it's the ultimate storage solution for any Hot Wheels collection. It even includes 2 cars to get the fun started. Send your cars up the elevator, 2 at a time, for a heart-pounding race down the side-by-side racetracks. Prepare for some big air jumps. Watch out for the hungry Robo T-Rex lurking below. Will it snatch your cars before they reach the finish line? This set connects to other Hot Wheels track sets, allowing you to create a massive, customized city. The possibilities are endless. Get ready for hours of fun-filled adventures with this epic Hot Wheels garage. It's the perfect gift for any young car enthusiast. What we like. It's the ultimate garage for your Hot Wheels collection. If you have a large collection and want a fun and exciting way to play with your cars, this is the perfect set. The T-Rex adds an extra element of fun for kids. What people say. Combines his 2 favorite things: Hot Wheels and dinosaurs. Lots of fun trying to get down the track without getting eaten by the T-Rex. I love that I can store all his cars on the racks and I don't have to step on them anymore. Easy assembly and easy to figure out. Quality of material seems sturdy and everything fit together like a glove. Parents should have no problem putting this together in about half an hour. Also, another plus is most Hot Wheels cars will make their way all the way down the track if the T-Rex doesn't get them first, so you can buy pretty much any car and it will work with this product. It was quite easy to assemble and he loved it. He is still playing with it every day. It is by far the best present I have found for him. Durable and more that one child can play with it at the same time. Number 2. Hot Wheels Spin Storm Track Set. Get ready for high-octane crashes and thrills with the Hot Wheels Spin Storm Track Set. Watch as your cars race through the track's exciting loops and intersections. It features 2 starting gates, sending your cars into a whirlwind of near misses and spectacular collisions. The race is on. The motorized booster keeps the action going, propelling your cars through the crazy loops and turns. It's non-stop racing excitement. See how many cars you can fit on the track before a massive pile-up. The more cars, the more chaotic the fun. It's the perfect gift for kids who love racing and crashing action. This set provides hours of exciting gameplay. The set includes 1 Hot Wheels car to get you started, but you can add more for even more thrilling races. Additional cars are sold separately. What we like. This set provides thrilling racing and crashing fun. If you are looking for a set that offers exciting stunts and challenges, this is a great choice. The motorized booster adds an extra layer of excitement to the gameplay. What people say. It is very easy to assemble. Takes just few minutes. It is very engaging and keep them entertained for hours. Seems to be strong enough for a 4-year-old to play with it so much. Number 1. Hot Wheels Triple Loop Kit. Get ready for the ultimate thrill. This set lets you build a massive triple loop track, perfect for performing amazing stunts with your Hot Wheels cars. It's the first ever triple loop stunt track. With its innovative design, it offers endless possibilities for creative track building. The multi-use pieces allow you to create nearly endless track combinations. Let your imagination run wild and design your dream stunt track. Standing at an impressive 20 inches tall, this track provides a big and exciting experience. Prepare for some gravity-defying stunts. Create a heart-stopping gravity drop or a daring jump. The possibilities are endless. It's compatible with other Hot Wheels track sets, allowing you to expand your track and create even bigger, more challenging stunts with friends. It folds away easily for simple storage, making it perfect for taking on the go. Fun with friends is just a fold away. Everything you need to get started is included. The kit comes with 1 Hot Wheels vehicle, ready to race. What we like. This set offers the ultimate stunt challenge with its triple loops. If you like building and customizing your own tracks, this is the set for you. It's easy to store and transport, making it perfect for taking on the go. What people say. Super easy construction. He loves playing with it and like that he can have 3 different build options and easy to store. The assembly of this track is easy for an adult. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.